Welcome back to Money Moves Daily. In this video, I'm going to show you how I edit viral clips for my Clipster account. The first basic step you need to do is to select your video. Look how I do the video. First, I select out the black screen. Then I'm going to extend this screen further ahead, and the next step is I'll choose a video from the file folder. I have downloaded all these videos. I'll choose the video and put it on this black screen as overlay. Then I'll change. The next step is to choose the aspect ratio. I'm choosing the 9:16 and enlarge the video. Then I'll go through the video. There is nothing in this video. I'm going to choose another video that will fit on this. Okay, I'm going to choose this video for my next clip. I will put the edited video link in the description. If you want to check, you can check by yourself. And then you have to extend this a little more. Here is my clip that I am going to post. I'm going to edit with some little things. Like I will put the caption, the overlay text. That is all I'm going to do for this video. The second thing, I'm going to put the keyframes, which help to retain my audience. Look how I do. I just I just put the keyframe, and then I'm just going to enlarge my video. Just enlarging it. Like alternatively, I will enlarge the video. It will grab the attention of my viewers. That is all I'm going to do here. Let me complete this little quick. Okay, I'm done with putting the keyframe. Now I'm going to choose on-screen text from the campaign. Okay, let's find the on-screen text. Okay, finally I found what to put on-screen text. Let's put all the thing on screen text. This is what I found on screen text. Then we will choose the font, the style, what I'm going to do. Look, the CapCut always suggests this thing. What should be the best? Where we can put the overlay text? Okay, I'll choose the yellow color. Yellow and orange are most working colors, so I'll go with the yellow one. Okay, now let's choose the font. I'll choose the font according to the music, like how our music sound like. That will hold the people. Like this is the Avenger theme. I'm going to choose this one, and going to extend this. Okay, just enlarge this video. Just putting this overlay text throughout the video. Now, the next step I'll do is to generate the auto caption. I'll generate the auto caption in few seconds. Okay, here is our caption. That one is the audience sound, and that is the singer sound. So I'll put the singer sound only, not going to show the audience sound. Okay, our next step is to choose a template for our caption. Okay, this is all. I'm going to mute this clip because I'll get the copyright or something. I don't want this channel to be deleted or anything. Okay, you need to do one more thing. You need to listen to the clip what you're getting. Then you have to choose what should be the best for your caption template. I'm going to choose a caption, choose a animation for this caption. I'll go through all the animation. I'll see you after choosing my animation for the caption. Okay, done choosing campaign, and this is all my clip. That is all for my video. You have to export on 1080 and 60 fps. That is all you need to do. Thank you for watching.